They won't drop. So you have to use some sensibilities so that you don't, in the process, they will be trying to cheat and they will kill themselves. Then you will be held responsible because you have not acted properly as a government. Now let's go to Alimosho. Apart from the major roads where we have tarred, and we believe what you should have here more than 1 kilometer, what you should have here is a public transportation. The one of Ayobo, apart from the Ayobo Ipaja road, no road is restricted in Ayobo Ipaja local government. Agbadoke local government, only Ekoro and Old Ota road was restricted. They have public transportation. The whole of Alimosho, that is the Abeokuta Express side. Where you have restriction in Alimosho is the Ikotu side. Where you have adequate public, including Molue, the old Molue that you don't see on Ikorodu is still operating in. And you have BRT buses there, Igbatutu, the blue buses, and you have red buses in that area. So when you go to Ikorodu, apart from the major road that takes you to Ikorodu, the Benson Road and the Ayongoni Road, the entire Ikorodu is open. Ijede is open. Agric area of Ikorodu is open. No restriction. Now let's go to Ekpe. Apart from the main road that goes into Ekpe, nowhere is restricted. In Badagry, apart from the main road that takes you to Dosun, no road is restricted. So what we are saying is this: the roads we have selected, if people are working, is an immediate reaction. After a while, we will get to understand that we have, like you said, we have moved from abnormality for too long, and settling to normality might take a week, 2 or 3 weeks. I want to say here that we are a responsible government. We recognize the fact that some people might be out of work. We have made arrangement for that. We recognize
what
that,
arrangements?
like I used to say, the arrangements include this. We have a program called Agric Years. We have a program under a poverty elevation program, 17 skill acquisition centers. We have our technical colleges upgraded, where we allow people to acquire skill. We are awarding contracts day and night more than any other city. We are saying that they will become the first. But then we have cooperatives for the people who want the BRT system and the National Union of Road Transport Workers. The taxi scheme we have, we are paying their down payment to get taxis. So we have recruitment for drivers, we have recruitment for conductors, they are available.
Mr. Kwaifa,
thank you.
Unfortunately, you are a commissioner in Lagos State, which is Nigeria's commercial center.
That's right.
No, that's fortunate for me.
It's like a magnet. People will keep flocking into Lagos. And I don't see how the 200 or 500 BRT buses and the 500 red buses.
Sorry, it's 1,500 red
okay,
buses.
1,000.
And 50,000 yellow buses.
But we don't feel it, Mr. Kwaifa. Lagos is a mega city, whether we like it or not. So where are the fast jet trains that are going to move masses from one point to the other? Let's forget about Okada, please. Okada is not a means of mass transportation. We should be focusing on moving people in their hundreds at a time.
You see, I agree with you 100%. What we needed to do is to have the mass transit system in option. We are on the blue line. Nigerian Railways Act 1955 does not allow state governments to build rail tracks without permission. We have gotten permission for the blue line. We are on it.
What about the metro?
The Jakode had to take permission from the Shagari government. That's where you have good government. Now, the other one you have now is the red line. That is the one that moves from Ogun State to Lagos. We have applied over almost 8 years now. We are still backward. We have a design. We have 7 rail routes. We have dredged all our waterway routes. We have 39 water transportation routes, fully dredged.
We hear that those things are expensive.
No. The reason why you still have the price of ferry like that is that they are using 22 boats to move because of safety issues there. We have now dredged it, and they are now bringing in 60
bigger boats.
Yeah, bigger boats.
So
those are the things we did for some. Before we got to this.
How long ago?
I got into government 2007.
I mean, the dredging. How long ago?
It's completed.
It's completed now.
Over
and
2
the
years
60
ago
remaining, or the 60 new.
We have franchised
ferries.
10 ferry companies. Metro Taxi, that's the one that runs from Ikorodu. You will see those big ones. They carry almost 30-40. We are now bringing the one that is going 60. We are coming on with Tazan, or is it Texas or Tazan? Has brought in 2 now. One can go 60, one can go 100.
And that will be commuting from where to where?
They will be commuting from Ikorodu down to Badagry. They will choose there. There are 39 available options. You can move from Ikorodu, you can move from Epe, you can move from Okeafa, You can move from. There are so many routes.
There's some amount of work said to be going on between Ijora to Badagry. Is it tram line or metro or what?
That's the rail line. That's the Lagos
line.
Blue Line.
Okay.
That's why we are expanding Badagry Expressway. It's not just rail, the road too. In any part of the world, road is key in terms of moving people. Go and check it anywhere in the world. But rail is the easiest option that can last generation, and on a cost analysis basis is the cheapest. We have a rail system in Nigeria that is not working. Some people wanted to make it work. There is a federal law that says this is the limit, but thank God we have gone beyond that stage now. The Blue Line is coming on track. The road is there. If you go there, you will see the terminals.
I think you are correct when you said that they are putting the cart before the horse.
The horse.
Why don't they put all these plans on the ground before they go or they hog to harass the poor?
No, Debo, let me just give you information. We move 1.2 million people in Lagos at any particular time.
If it is
So
not enough, it is not over until it is over.
Debo, let me tell you, after
Because
9 p.m.,
you
what do you
can
see?
talk, but I think you are protecting some capitalists who are supplying you with taxes and buses, BRTs, and all that. I think this is why, because if you have Okada running, your taxes will not sell. And you said taxes are at an expensive, over-bloated rate to the drivers. Maybe because you want to recover your money, that is why you are doing what you are doing to the Okada riders.
Okada is better than
unfair.
taxi.
Let me tell you this. Look, if you have put all of this in place and there are no passengers, Okada will not pick them.
Debo, you didn't get what I'm saying.
Debo,
Debo, you live in Abule Egba axis. We live in the same area.
I live in Jaye.
You know after 9 o'clock,
yeah,
you see the whole of Lagos littered with yellow buses and BRT buses picking nobody.
That is not true.
Wait,
that
Debo,
is not true.
Debo.
Let me tell you, have you been to even your BRT and blue buses parks and you see people queuing on ending?
I've told you
at the beginning you said maximum of 15 minutes, another bus will come. People rely on it, but it failed them. Most of the time, passengers will come out of your buses that is not up to 3 years. They will be pushing it. In order to, there is one that caught fire in Maryland. Hey, there was no fire extinguisher in it. How much have you supervised? Take the log out of your own eyes before you begin to look for the specs.
Why are
you are just oppressing. You are oppressing the poor in Lagos, and that is leading us towards a tyranny.
But do you know that the boss?
You have brought violence against the people by destroying their means of livelihood.
Debo, let me just ask him this question. Will you agree with me that the Bus Rapid Transit Corridor is a democratization of the road in favor of the majority of the people? By giving them a lane, those who don't have vehicles, this is your lane, and we provided them with vehicles and use these vehicles so that those who have cars, they have to lose one lane on that express road, and they gave it to the public transportation system, and we put 100. Within 1 week, we increased to 226. Now it's about 300. You see, there is.
But it's still not enough.
Wait.
You didn't do it in proportion to
I have used the BRT before.
Let me land.
And it works.
Let me land.
I have used it.
Let me land. Then you have on the service lane the yellow buses.
Yes.
What you have, whenever you have queue whenever you have queue on the BRT corridor,
yes,
you see on the yellow line, the service lane, yellow buses struggling to get passengers. It became a matter of preference, and that is where we want to get to. You cannot displace these people 100% immediately, and maybe you need to know they own the blue buses also. It is the same owner who owns the blue bus on the BRT corridor that owns the yellow bus on the yellow, and you see you have to make sure you gradually find a way for it. So it is not as if when you see crowd on the BRT corridor, it's not as if it's the issue of bus, it's the issue of preference. They've seen something better. Now we are providing something even better, trying to get the dangerous one out. We are facing this issue. So so you need to understand the way the socio-economic. We are in it today.
I think I understand what you are talking about.
Sorry. Let me ask you.
Yes.
You have to answer my question. Don't you think it's a democratization for For the
I don't think so.
He
So
doesn't
we
think
get
so.
to
Okay.
that.
Now let's look at it this way. In terms of the rate of accidents
That's right.
that we see on our roads as a result of Okada being there,
That's right.
and the commandant of the
Safety.
road safety has said that number has increased.
Yeah.
Don't you think that should be welcomed?
No, the thing is this. I have told you that there's no vehicle that doesn't cause accidents.
But
There's
some cost more.
no, the
No,
truth
no,
is
some-
we have not in proportion to the you have population. Okay, if you have aeroplane, there was a time almost every other month there an aeroplane will drop in this Nigeria.
No, that's not good.
Okay.
There was never a time like that.
Okay,
Not
well,
That was never a
about
time.
three, about 3 or so regimes. I mean, regimes ago. Okay, in the days of
was
Abu
never a
Said,
time like that.
anyway, there are so many in with the same
We
within
keep
one
data. He's
year.
an safety expert. will tell you.
Within 1 year, there are several, and let me tell you, when they drop, they kill all the passengers. Okay, now you are talking about that is in proportion to the number of airplanes that we are. Okay, now you have many Okadas. Why do we have many Okadas? There's something that brings them, apart from the economic problem, there is sociology of it. Okay, people are, most of these people, all the vocational thing you are talking about, they learned it, but there are no incentives for them to practice. Infrastructure decay is there, is going on. The incubation centers that you build are not doing anything to help those who have learned trade. They cannot practice their trade. Now, you are talking about it is in proportion to the population of the vehicles that makes it look as if
Yeah,
they
but
are
let me
the
give
one.
you data.
And
I'll
the
be sorry.
carelessness.
We have to
No,
wrap
Let
and
me give you
and
data.
the
Let me give you
carelessness.
data in
Sorry,
September.
excuse
Let me give you
me.
September.
You
this
see,
month.
We're going-
this
we're
law
gonna have
is
to wrap up.
oppressive, especially the way you have so-called restricted the
Okay.
Okada riders. It's oppressive, it's tyrannical.
What
I
about
think you
that?
have to relax.
Mr.
Thank you,
Daniel,
Mr.
we have
Daniel.
to wrap up
Thank
now.
you.
So
We have to
Yes.
go now.